Okay, well, we got our new machine, YouTube. Here's the cords that come with it. All these neat accessories. Notice they have twist locks. Got this little accessory pack. Looks like it came with some piglet filters, a hook to go on the side. Ooh, keep your hands from getting hot. What's inside there? Well, we're gonna take off the sides next. Go ahead and just roll out. Look at that. What is it? It is the new Mighty Escape Lite. I can't wait to get it out there and try it. I mean, look at how well it's built. I'll do a review on it after I get it tested. Just want to do a quick unboxing, show you what you get. It has auto fill right there, auto dump. I mean, look at that. Open it up. Oh wow, look at how well that's organized in there. Look at the build quality. My goodness, nothing moves. Way different than other equipment that I've experienced. Even the hoses are like really good. Everything's laid out so well. Nothing pinches. Look at that. Even has float electric shutoff for the vacuum motors. Wow. What? I can't wait to get out there and try it. Real excited, guys. Real excited. Look in the tank. Auto fill right there. Here's your electric shutoffs. I mean, that is really nice. Wow. Really well thought through. Looks like here's a filter strainer. Here's the filter strainer for the pump out, and then, you know, of course, you use the piglet filter on that. I mean, this thing has really been thought through. Magic Wand and John LaBarbera at Mighty really did a great deal of research, apparently, to figure this out. I'm real excited to be one of the first to own one and try one out. Real excited. So on that, I'm going to go ahead and sign out.